Shalom and good night, Sir Jeremy Panjaitan. I'm Rosintan Sitinjak with student ID number 2381014. Tonight, I will present about the mid project of the Web Programming 2 course, that is to implement truth. So the purpose of this presentation is the first to explain the purpose of the project and how it was developed or how it was built and showed and the second is to show the main features that I have implemented, giving a brief demo of how the application works, explain the code and structure of the project, and the last also maybe presenting the challenges that I face when I work or finish the mid project. So this web project aims to build a simple web that implements React as a front end and use Feed as a build tool to speed up the development process. In this project, there are several development process or principles that I apply. Namely, the first one is using Feed to create a lightweight and fast web, and the second is using React to build a modular and more manageable interface. The third is using TypeScript to write code that is safer and easier to understand. And the last one is using SLAN to maintain code quality. So this project was created to fulfill the mid-project Web2 assignment, where I had to build a website that has truth-based interactive features such as comment or comment section and todos or to-do list. For the next, I will explain the project structure briefly. In this project, the project structure follows the standard React project with Feed. We can see the CRC folders here contains the main code of the application, main TSX, entry point of the React application, app TSX, the main component that renders the main page. We can see also the components folders here contains the components used in this project. And the last is pages folders, contains the main page such as home, comment, receipts, and totals. So this project has several main pages with a modular component approach so that each feature can be used and easier to improve for the next. So here are the features that have been implemented in this project. React integration with Feed. Sorry for the lag. React integration with Feed, utilizing Feed build speed and to improve development efficiency. The second, use of TypeScript to improve security and scalability of code. The third is SLAN configuration to maintain code quality and consistency. Also, this project already has interactive and specific features. You can see here the interactive and specific features such as receipts. Sorry, I'm really sorry for the lag, sir. Such a homepage. Before that, such as homepage, product, the list of products, receipts, posts, comments, and totals. So for now, I want to demonstrate this project, how it looks or how it used in the local host or in the browser. But before that, we must running the command npm install to install the dependency. And the second one is running npm run dev to start the server feed. But sorry before that, sir, I don't run it in this video because my laptop was not support to do this command while recording. For now, I will demonstrate the website looks in the localhost or browser. So we can see here the website in the localhost or in the browser. The first page that we'll show is the home page. And we can see here in the navbar, there are 5 pages. So I click the first page. The first page is product page. In this page, we can see there are so many list of products. We can see the picture, we can see the describe or the description of the product, and also we can see the price of the product. There's a lot for here in this page. So next, the second page is receipts. The second page, receipts page until todos page is implemented should is already should implemented. So in this receipts page, when I click add the receipts, the page will be loaded and update the receipts in this page. We can see, I repeat again, we can see together more clearly. When I click add the receipt, the receipts page will be updated. So I want to edit the mango last year receipts, and the window alert will come and show the message. This data is only stored on the front end and cannot be updated in the API. And when I click delete, sorry for the long loading, sir. So when I click delete in the Mango Lassie, why it's not work? So for example, when I delete this classic margarita pizza receipts, it will be deleted from the receipts page. We can move to the next page, post page. Same as the receipts page. When I click add pause, so before that, in receipts, post, comments, and totals page will show will show many things in that page before we add, edit, and delete. For this post page, when I click add, the page will be loaded and update the post page. I will repeat again. The post page updated. So when I edit the 10 more steps post, same as receipts page, the window alert will show the message this data is only stored on the front end and cannot be updated in the API. So I want to delete this. He was an expert but not in a discipline post. The post will remove from the post page. And we can move to the next page, comments page. This page uh, is more interactive than two posts before or three page before, sorry. When I click add comment, we can see the page load and also show and updated the comments before. So I would like to edit these comments. This is some awesome thinking. I would like to edit it the words. This is some awesome thing that I have done. Click OK, and the comments will update it as what I edit before. And then if I want to delete the comments will remove from the comments page. Next, we can move to the last page, to those page. In this page, we can use click and unclick for to-dos that we just do. We just finished doing. We just finished do, and we have already do, or we don't finish yet. So I would like to add to do. We can see the add to do will be updated. The to-dos page will be updated with some to do. I would like to edit this to do watch a documentary. I would like it to change it to watch a movie. You can see the to do has changed as what I just edit before. And then so watch a movie because I just watch a movie. So I just click because I have done to watch a movie. And then if I want to delete this todo, and yeah, the todo will remove from this todos page. So we can do the same thing for this 4 page that has truth implemented. So for this demonstration of the website in the browser or in the local host, we can see that for the 4 page, we can do create, read, edit, and delete. Beginning of the video, I just describe about the structure of this project, but for now, I will make it more detail about the project directory structure. So this project is built using React and also fit with a clean and organized structure. We can see the structure here. The name file is hands-on 6 new because I have cloned it from my new repository. You can see here the node modules, dependencies folder managed by npm. We can see public here contains static assets like five icon, image, or etc. Next, we can see src folders here. Here contains main source code folders. We can see in the inside of src there are components folders, pages, and also pages, assets, layouts, services, and utils. We can see in the file app.tsx, It's contained about main component that manage routing and the app's structure. We can see in the main TSX, there are entry point that renders React into the DOM. We can see here also index.html. Next.html main file that loads the React app in the browser. We can see the package.json. It's for npm configuration, tracks project dependencies. We can see tsconfig.json for TypeScript configuration for the project. We can see fightconfig.ts for fight configuration file for build optimization, and also we can see the slane configuration. This is for feed configuration file for build optimization. I would like to explain or explanation of the key code files because the time was so limited. So I just explain the code files of this project. We can see here on the app tsx or main application component, this file acts as the root component managing the structure and routing of this website or of these projects. The next is main tsx or entry point of the application. This file is responsible for rendering the React application into the DOM, as I said before in the explaining of the structure of this project. We can see in this main TSX, users use React DOM.create root this to render the app inside the root. I don't know how to say, but loads the app.txx component, which contains the main structure of the app. So the strict mode helps detect potential issues in development. We can next to home.txx. Where's the home.txx? I just forget. Oh yeah, the pages, I guess. Home.tsx. We can see here homepage component. This component just displays the homepage content. It's a blank, just like a word homepage. So a simple component that displays a welcome message. Next, the last is I would like to explain the features implemented in the project. And in the last, I would like to explain the features implemented in the project. The first one is React Router for navigation. We can see uses React Router DOM for handling multiple pages. Routing is set up inside app.tsx. The second one is TypeScript for code safety. Uses .tsx files to enforce type safety. So helps prevent runtime errors by checking data types early. The third is slane for code quality. So configure via .slane trc.cgs to enforce linting rules, ensures clean and structured code. And the last is feed for build optimization. Fight.config.ts optimize the app for fast performance, enables code module replacement or HMR for quicker development. So there are the, the short explanation of key code files for this project. So this is the end of my demonstration of my presentation of my project web programming to course. If there is a word of my wrong word of my bad English, please forgive me, sir, because I'm not good in English and also I'm not really good in explaining something, especially like this project, like this code. I really bad for this thing. So this is the end of my presentation of this new project. I hope that this presentation can be easily to understand for sir. Thank you, sir. I really sorry for the bad quality of this presentation. Thank you so much, sir, and God bless you, sir.